In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your domain from WP Engine to Shopify. This process is crucial if you want your domain, which is currently hosted on WP Engine, to point to your Shopify store, giving your online presence a cohesive and professional look. First things first, we need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Head over to the Shopify login page and input your credentials to access the main admin area. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand side menu and find the Settings option. Click on that, and subsequently, you'll want to go to Domains. This section is where you'll manage all aspects relating to your store's domain. Here, you'll see the option to connect an existing domain. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the domain name that's hosted on WP Engine. Carefully type in your domain and click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is where you'll manage your domain's DNS settings. It's important to remember that WP Engine doesn't directly manage DNS settings. So you'll need to head over to your DNS provider's platform. Commonly used services include Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Cloudflare. Once there, look for the section to manage DNS settings, as this is where you'll need to update the records. The crucial updates involve the DNS records that connect your domain to Shopify. Start with the A record. This is the basic record that points your domain to an IP address. You should update it to the IP 23.2227.38.65, which is specific to Shopify. After you've set the A record, you'll need to adjust the SNAME record. The name is used for subdomains, and you should set it with the name as www to value pointing to shops, myshopify.com. These changes direct traffic from your domain to Shopify's servers effectively. Once you've made these changes, it's crucial to save them to ensure they take effect. It's always a good practice to double-check your entries before saving to avoid any potential issues. Once saved, return to the Shopify domain section and click Verify Connection. This step is vital to confirm everything is set up correctly. After you've verified the connection, it's time to exercise a bit of patience. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, up to 24 hours in some cases. During this time, your WP Engine domain will begin pointing to your Shopify store, linking your brand seamlessly across platforms. By following these steps, you've successfully imported your domain from WP Engine to Shopify. Enjoy the unified experience this provides for both you and your customers. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.